Hi, it's Neil from Mighty Little Green Machine. In today's video, we're going to be cleaning up the tractor. I'm going to be adding in some video that I shot of cleaning up the implements and getting them ready for winter and do that. But I wanted to show you a couple of products that I find work really good for this. The first one is this rotary nozzle. It actually spins from the water inside there. Now, the only thing that I found is you got to be careful on the stickers on your equipment because it will take them right off. But as far as getting mud and debris and getting in all the nooks and crannies, this thing works amazing. And then the other thing is the foam cannon. This is my second one. My first one I had problems with, and it actually ended up getting gunked up and not working anymore. This one's a different brand, and I like it better. I'm going to put links to both of these down below. In full disclosure, I am part of Amazon's Associates program. But with that being said, my total earnings to date is 38 cents. I'm not doing it for the money so much. But anytime you go through one of my links and then buy something on Amazon, I get a small commission. And I'm not doing this to make money. I'm doing it to be able to fund things like new cameras, because I want to get a couple of new cameras and stop using my phone so that we can have better sound and stuff like that. So if you're going to go buy something anyway, if you could go through one of my links, that'd be awesome. And while I'm at it, please subscribe to the channel. And if you like this video at the end, please like it. Let's get started. Now, normally I soak the whole tractor and then rinse the whole tractor. This backhoe is so mucky that I'm going to do it in stages. Come on, baby. She's got air in her. Okay, so you get the idea. I'm going to finish the tractor, do the whole thing, and then I'll show you afterwards how it comes out with no scrubbing, no nothing.
Just to show you, this is why I like to clean my stuff when I put it away. It's just so dirty. So I'm going to clean it, and I'm going to grease the dry shaft, and that way it's ready in spring. dirt was like glue, like cement actually. It was topsoil from my last job. So I'm glad I got it all off. I mean, it's not perfect, but looks pretty good. So let's go put it away.
Okay, so this was no scrubbing. I don't know if you noticed how dirty it was before I started. All I did was spray on soap and wash it off with that nozzle. The other thing that nozzle's good for is getting grease off. Grease makes me absolutely nuts. It's a necessary evil, but boy, it makes a mess. So, that's it. She's clean. I can tell you there's going to be a video coming up of me touching up paint on things. I know some of you are going to say you're absolutely crazy. It's a tractor, and you're right. But some of you are going to understand. I like my things to look nice and stay nice, so I put everything up. There's all kinds of paint. Well, you can see it on the runner there. Paint missing. So that's going to be a project. It's all missing in there. I'm going to take some of it apart, clean it up, and paint it. I'm not going to go nuts, but I am going to touch it all up this winter. So she looks really good starting in spring again. I figure if I take care of it, it'll take care of me. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.